Hello, good evening. Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. I'm called Lamaro Proscovia, and in this video I'm going to take you through how to use the Google Maps. So before we go further, what you meant by a Google Map? This is basically a web-based mapping service developed by Google that shows detailed geographical information, satellite imagery, then maybe it shows the traffic locations. So basically the importance of using a Google Map is a Google Map helps a person to locate the unknown places he or she is traveling to, like the destination you don't know. You can easily search them using Google Maps. So if you're using Google Maps and you're having a smartphone, for example, and you say you're using an Android phone, you'll download the app from the Play Store, and if you're using an Apple phone, you'll download it from the App Store. With my case, I'm using a computer, so it means I'm going to use my browser. So let's get started as I show you how to use it. So you're going to come straight on your browser. After clicking on the browser, if you've already created an account, like for me I have my account here, I'll choose on it and maximize. So if you are not created your account, you are going to type your app meet.google.com, and then you sign in, but I've already created my account. So I'll come on the 9 dots and click on it. And choose maps. So after clicking on the maps, and so it has now brought what I wanted. So when you're here, this is where you can maybe type the name of the places that you're looking for, and it also has some options. We have the home. If you click on it, then you come and search the location. Maybe we say you want Google to direct you from Google University. From Google University to Kitgum Municipality. So after typing, this is basically what Google told me. Like when you're from Google University to reach Kitgum, and you're using, for here, they're using a motorcycle. That's a distance of 101 kilometers. You will travel for 2 hours, 7 minutes. And if you're, So members, I was explaining that, sorry a bit for the network interruption. I was explaining that if you type your current location, then to the place where you want to go, if you're from Gule University and you're traveling to Kitgum, you're going to travel through Onyama, then you go through Atanga until you reach Kitgum. So this is location where we are supposed to be in. And if you're driving using a motor vehicle, it's going to take you, that is 1 hour, 39 minutes if you're using a vehicle here. And if you're using a vehicle, it means you're covering a distance of 105 kilometers. So when you're using a motorcycle, it's going to take you 2 hours, 7 minutes, and you'll cover a distance of 101 kilometers. Then if you're footing, it's going to take you 21 hours 39 minutes. So this is basically what you type, like this is where you put your current location and this is where you're going to put your destination. And if maybe you're traveling right around the road and you're tired, you can also find the restaurants, the hotels, where coffee, you can get some hot coffee. So let's try and see for the restaurants along the road. We have along Gulu Kitgum Road, we have there many hotels. We have Oasis, um, we have Oasis, we have Orchard Cafe, we have Benin. So these are the hotels you can get when you're tired, maybe on the way. And if you want to clearly see the location, you can click on the maps. So it's going to show you exactly the place where you want to be. Like let's for instance say you're from here and you're looking for the restaurant around. Let's say we are looking for Oasis along the road. So you'll get it here, and these are the state lights images I was talking about. So you can easily identify your location from here. So basically, Google Maps helps a person to locate the places where he or she is not well certain about. So this is where we are getting Oasis. Maybe you drop there a marker to read for you the place. So you get where you're going through easily using Google Maps. Thank you for watching and following my videos. You can subscribe, drop your comments in the comment sections, like and share. Thanks.